Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a stable history state so you can paint earlier pixels back in. Open your image, make the baseline edits you want preserved, then open Window History and click the camera icon to save a snapshot. Once done, choose the History Brush tool or press Y. Set the brush mode to normal, opacity around 100% for full restores or lower for subtlety, and flow for smooth strokes. Make sure the snapshot is selected as the source, so you can paint that state back into the current image. Now you perform the detailed restoration. Pick an appropriate brush hardness and size, use the bracket keys to change quickly, and start painting where you want the earlier pixels to return. You can switch sample from current to current and below to control whether the brush pulls from the snapshot alone or composite layers. This matters when using adjustment layers. For non-destructive control, paint on a duplicated layer or apply the history brush on a layer mask, so you can refine areas later without losing. To finish, blend restored areas by lowering opacity and flow and building up multiple light strokes for a natural look. Make sure to toggle visibility of snapshots and adjustment layers to verify the final composite. If you see hard edges, feather the mask or apply a small Gaussian blur to smooth transitions. If the history brush seems to paint the wrong state, reselect the correct snapshot in the History panel or reset the tool via the Tool menu. Save a copy so you can return to the layered file later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.